Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw the Jason mask. Jason X, though. I'm going to go from, like, I think it's Jason 10, right? It's got like a futuristic Jason mask, and that's what we're going to do, okay? Simple, easy, for beginners, so let's jump into it. First thing I do here is I'm going to actually draw the, it's like so different. Curve here on the left side. I'm going to pull down in. Basically, if you're like a fan of Jason Voorhees and all that stuff, you might as well learn how to draw this. I think it's a good idea to stick around for it. Kind of looks like Shredder, in my opinion, from the Ninja Turtles movies. Line over here, I'm mostly putting the same thing. I'm mirroring the same thing back. Pulling in, curve out, curve in, pull out. Line out here for kind of like these pseudo straps, even though the whole thing's kind of like clamped to his face. Gonna pull in here for the cheekbone. Go over here for the cheekbone. And by the way, if you've seen Jason X, I mean, I'm assuming that's why you're watching this. Say hi to me. Let me know, because I think, am I the only person that's watched this movie? It's a really terrible movie. But I mean, they're all like terrible movies, right? But they're fun. Okay, center the eye line of that face over here. Line up, line up. Pull out over here. Pull out. We're gonna have like the top of the what do you call it? The eye sockets. Curve along this side, over here on this side, and curve over here, and the exact same over here on this side. Gonna go over here. Pull down from the nose area. And then curving in lastly. Line in, up, up. Line up here, line up here. And you got these, the nasal shape is so strange. I don't really know what to compare it to, but it's really odd. Over here, there's a hole in his face right here. It looks like a sunflower seed. Sunflower seed shape. Gonna go along this side, and I'm gonna pull down over here for the side of the jaw, curve in, go over here, curve in. I remember when I heard the whole that this movie was gonna happen, because I'm old, and straight across the bottom there for the jaw. But I was like, there's no way they're gonna make that movie. Jason in space? Like, how dumb can they be? That is so dumb. But you know, it's different, and I think it stands out right now because it's different. Although a lot of people don't even remember it existing. But I think, yeah, I think it's pretty cool that it happened at all. So it's pretty neat. Line across the top here for the brow. And let's do a circle here for the eye. Circle here for the eye. Dot, dot. Filling this area around the eye, so it has this like deep kind of eye socket kind of shape, this deep mask. This is probably the least viewed video out of all the Jason videos, I guarantee you. I'm gonna make a Jason playlist, by the way. I think it's about time that exists. I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna put in the comments. Okay, go check the comments. I'm gonna put in the description. Or I might even put in the comments as a first comment. You know, I might do that. Curve around here. Curve around. Don't forget to hit the like button, by the way, to survive the season, right? Because it's a seasonal generally a seasonal channel. Hitting the like is what powers the channel. It powers it up, right? So that's kind of what I want. So hit that like if you do enjoy Jason or the video in any way. Curve around here. Bottom of the chin. We're almost done, but I'm gonna go over here. It's gonna be like a little triangle shape for the mask. Like there's a hole in there for him to breathe, which doesn't make any sense because he's kind of undead, right? I think. Line over here looks like a little arrow. And then line over here. His face looks kind of like a cheese grater, which was what made me think of Shredder from Ninja Turtles. Okay, there's some lines up here as well. Like looks like little arrows on the side over here. Same thing over here on this side, little arrows. Alrighty. Maybe a line here to show some differentiation in shape. And I'm gonna like throw a line around it just to kind of wrap it around. This is just the mask. It's amazing how the mask standing still looks so not like, I don't know, it looks weird. It needs like a head, but too bad. That's what we're doing. We're doing the mask here from Jason X. Don't forget, subscribe, click that bell notification. Also, I post once every single weekday. It is awesome to do so, so definitely jump in. It's kind of a pleasure to keep this channel alive through the entire year, and it's going to be mostly dedicated to scary stuff or spooky stuff. And that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much, and stick around for the announcement about Skillshare. I post entire full videos on like how to draw everything, but I post full courses on that stuff, and I'm going to make the announcement right after this, okay? Talk to you soon, all right? Later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.